Forno Appliances introduces you to the Donatello Model 905 30-inch induction electric cooking range. The white finish infuses a personal flair into your kitchen's decor. The ceramic glass provides an even heat distribution and smooth cookware mobility. The 4 induction elements ranges from 1,500 to 3,000 watts of cooking power. Metal knobs with matching bezel ring, feel great, will last and look great for the life of the range. A pro-style door handle with large viewing window opens to a beautiful blue enameled oven. Comes with 2 adjustable oven racks. The oven capacity is a large 5 cubic feet. Oven broiler is a powerful 3,600 watts. Below the oven floor is the hidden bake element, making oven upkeep an easy task. True convection element with 2,500 watts evenly distributes heat throughout the oven. 2 halogen oven lights brightly illuminate what is baking. Friction-resistant hinges guarantee effortless opening and smooth closing. They securely hold the door in place at any desired position. Digital display and control easily manages all oven functions, including convection bake, broil, roast and air fry functions. Includes an air fry basket, and also an oven tray to collect drips from basting. Comes with both antique brass and stainless steel handles and knobs. Allow for your choice of appearance to mirror your kitchen style. The Espresso line comes in 3 colors: black, silver, or white. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.